Seeds of Hope.
Delivering momentous support services.
Championing justice delivery.
And bridging the gap.
This is the Department of Agrarian Reform Bicol 2024 Momentous Initiatives for Bicolano Farmers. Land Tenure Security Program. In 2024, amidst the challenges of land disputes and the struggle for rightful ownership, the Department of Agrarian Reform or DARRO Bicol remains steadfast in its mission, ensuring that hardworking farmer beneficiaries in the Bicol region receive the land titles they rightfully deserve. With an unwavering dedication to hasten the continuous implementation of the Land Tenure Security Program or LTSP, they continue to turn dreams of land ownership into reality, paving the way for a more secure and prosperous future for Bicolano farmers. For land acquisition and distribution accomplishment in the registration of EPCLOA, our Region 5 registered a total of more than 320 hectares of land and has a distribution accomplishment of more than 2,000 hectares. In case holder documentation, they registered more than 4,100 hectares of land with an accomplishment rate of 72%. In land valuation, the department registered a total of more than 280 land holdings covering more than 2,300 hectares of land. On the other hand, in non-land activities, the department achieved nearly 2,000 hectares of land in leasehold operation with an outstanding accomplishment rate of 130%. Hence, from its land survey initiative, the department registered more than 2,400 hectares of land. In ARB installation, a total of 1,415 ARBs were registered, accumulating an accomplishment rate of 77% of its target. Meanwhile, a historic land distribution happened in 2024 as it marks the first time a sitting president has personally spearheaded land distribution in the region. President Ferdinand Bongbong R. Marcos Jr. handed out over 2,000 land titles benefiting nearly 2,000 agrarian reform beneficiaries or ARBs, covering an impressive area of more than 3,300 hectares of land.
Support the parcelization of lands for individual titling project. For the split project, DARRO Bicol already distributed more than 2,000 electronic titles to more than 2,000 ARBs, covering over 4,000 hectares of land in the region in 2024, highlighting the department's momentous initiative of delivering security of tenure and individual ownership for Bicolano farmers. With its continuous initiative to give life to what it has started, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. reiterated the implementation of the new Agrarian Emancipation Act or Republic Act No. 1195-3 to uplift the lives of farmer beneficiaries, signed on July 7, 2023. In line with this, a back-to-back certificate of condonation with release of mortgage or kukrum distribution happened in the Bicol region prior to the end of the year 2024. Certificate of condonation with release of mortgage. The first batch of kukrum distribution happened on November 26, 2024 at the Legazpi City Convention Center led by Senator Amy Marcos. The second one was spearheaded by Undersecretary Rowena Nina Otaduran of DARRO Support Services Office, held on December 20, 2024 at the Fuerte Sports Complex in Camarines Sur. In total, over 17,000 condonation certificates were issued to more than 14,000 ARBs in the region, covering over 22,600 hectares of land and condoning an outstanding principal loan amount of over 480.5 million pesos.
Agrarian Justice Delivery Program. The Department of Agrarian Reform Adjudication Board or DARROB stands at the forefront of championing agrarian justice, ensuring that farmers' rights are protected and land disputes are resolved fairly and efficiently. In 2024, DARRO5 has achieved a 95.02% resolution rate with more than 1,120 cases. In the Bicol region, a total of almost 1,400 alley cases were resolved, surpassing its target of more than 1,000 alley cases, resulting in a 138% accomplishment rate. In agrarian legal assistance, the legal sector resolved a total of more than 1,100 cases, comprising 81 judicial cases and more than 1,000 quasi-judicial cases, achieving a 94% and 127% accomplishment rate respectively. For alley cases under Project Speed, DARRO Bicol garnered a 93.28% accomplishment rate for case resolution and case build-up. Moreover, 3 of DARRO Bicol's employees passed the 2024 Philippine Bar Examination. They are Attorney Jincy B. Monasterial, Legal Assistant of DARRO Albay, Attorney Sara May B. Olivare, ARPT of DARRO Camarines Norte, and Attorney Ronel B. Villacruel, Legal Assistant of DARRO Camarines Norte. A remarkable feat was also achieved by DARRO Bicol during the CY 2024 National Year-End Summative Assessment, taking home 2 esteemed citations, namely 3rd highest number of judicial representation after obtaining a 51.59% accomplishment rate, and 3rd highest number of applications of cancellation cases in CY 2024 after achieving a 100% accomplishment rate.
Agrarian Reform Beneficiaries Development and Sustainability Program. Beyond land distribution, DARRO Bicol's Agrarian Reform Beneficiaries Development and Sustainability Program remains committed to empowering its ARBs through support services, capacity development programs, and infrastructure initiatives, ensuring that they are not just landowners but are empowered entrepreneurs and resilient stewards of the land. In 2024, DARRO Bicol has intensified efforts in ARBDSP's 3 major output indicators: capacity development and entrepreneurial skills training, access to credit and microfinance services, and technical enterprise farm and physical infrastructure support. In capacity development and entrepreneurial skills training, DARRO Bicol exceeded expectations by training 28,000 ARBs, surpassing its target with more than 124% accomplishment rate. More than 9,000 ARBs secured access to credit and microfinance services, exceeding its target with more than 125% accomplishment rate. A total of 212 Agrarian Reform Beneficiaries organizations were provided with technical, enterprise, farm, and physical infrastructure support, achieving over 85% accomplishment rate. Furthermore, last March 22, 2024, DARRO Regional Office 5 and Philippine National Police Regional Office 5 inked their first ever partnership against hunger and poverty in the region. This historical collaboration is the first in the Philippines, pioneering the Agrario Mercado sa Campo initiative in the region. During the national awarding ceremony for PAHP last June 27, 2024, DARRO Bicol received 3 major awards for CY 2023. Lerma B. Dino was named as the Most Outstanding Regional Program Beneficiaries Development Chief Agrarian Reform Program Officer, DARRO Masbate as the Most Outstanding DARRO Provincial Office, and Haniden F. Ante as the Most Outstanding Marketing Assistance Point Person. With the continuous expansion of PAHP in the region, DARRO Bicol hosted the nationwide Partnership Against Hunger and Poverty last August 13 to 16, 2024 at Summit Hotel, Naga City, bringing together its partner agencies and stakeholders from all over the country to sign a Memorandum of Understanding for Marketing Agreement. A total sales revenue of over 32 million pesos was generated by 134 ARBOs across the region, providing income opportunities for ARBs to support their families and livelihood. The Agrario Mercado sa Campo initiative also garnered a total sales revenue of more than 1.4 million pesos, benefiting over 58 ARBOs in the region. In addition, 9 agrarian reform-funded farm-to-market roads were also turned over in the province of Camarines Sur in the areas of Cabusao, Del Gallego, Libmanan, Minalabak, Pamplona, Bula, Balatan, and Buhi. In connection with the Gabi, Pili, and Sili project, in 2024, a Pili nursery was established in southern Legazpi Upland Barangays, an agrarian reform community in Legazpi under the Access Benefit Sharing Project in partnership with TENR. Moreover, under the Linking Smallholder Farmers to Markets and Microfinance or Links Farm program, a regional learning hub was constructed in the Bicol region, making it the first in the Philippines.
Support to operations. Driven by the mission to serve as a vital bridge and provide unwavering support for DARRO5 programs, the Support to Operations Division stands as steadfast pillar in turning the department's vision into reality, ensuring its successful reach, execution, and impact on the lives of agrarian communities. In 2024, the DARRO Human Resource Merit Promotion and Selection Board consistently upholds its significant role in the selection process of its workforce. This includes the entrance examination, behavioral event interview, and deliberation, leading the scrutinization of qualified applicants until the selection of the most deserving individual for a certain position. Aside from delivering land titles and support services to the ARPs, DARRO Bicol is always true to its will of championing gender inclusivity and equity, underscoring continuous success in the agrarian realm. In 2024, by promoting gender and development organ movements, DARRO truly demonstrates its vision of fostering inclusivity and equality. This is the reason why men and women continue to transform into empowered individuals. Moreover, retirees were honored during the Salamat Mabuhay Loyalty Awards ceremony, celebrating the years of unwavering contributions for Bicolano farmers. Meanwhile, in a stunning turn of events in 2024, the Department of Agrarian Reform Regional Office 5 celebrated its first and historic Silver Award from the Anti-Red Tape Authority or ARTA, recognizing its exceptional compliance in the Report Card Survey or RCS 2.0 for fiscal year 2023, achieving an astounding 91.54% RCS score, which corresponds to a very satisfactory rating. Aside from that, DARRO Region 5 stands out as the sole DARRO regional office to receive this significant recognition, showcasing its unwavering commitment to excellence. Above all, 2024 was considered a banner year for DARRO Bicol as a whole for its dedication and credibility as all of its DARRO regional and provincial offices championed ISO 9001-2015 after DARRO Masbate successfully passed the external quality audit and claimed its first ISO certification on October 11, 2024.
DARRO's continuous innovation and movement for Bicolano farmers exemplify the department's unwavering commitment to working as one, further emphasizing the goal for the greater good of the greater number.
The Department of Agrarian Reform Bicol 2024 momentous initiatives for Bicolano farmers.